What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and we are at a great outdoor RV center in Cumbie, Texas today, taking a look at this rear kitchen from Durango Gold that is immaculate. I mean, this thing is really special. I'm really excited to show y'all, and I think this might be my dad's new favorite fifth wheel as well. So let's go take a look at it. Are you bilingual or speak Spanish? Well, we have video RV tours for you as well. My wife, father-in-law, and I have been hard at work to put together RV tours in Spanish for yourself or family members that may find those easier to watch and listen to. So go check those out. There are links down below in the description of this page, or you can go to www.firmlyunbound.com. All right, y'all, so again, this is a KZ Durango Gold. It is their rear kitchen model, and I'm gonna put the specs and the floor plan layout here on the screen. Coming up to the number real quick to see it is a 391 RKF. And you'll see the specs and floor plan layouts on the screen. I just realized the voice in here will probably be a bit echoey because they were kind enough to move this one inside for us. And here at a great outdoor RV center, I'm really excited to be here because of the owner of this store. His name is Tommy Owen, and I'm gonna take a second just to show y'all a conversation that we had real quick. What's up, y'all? We are here at a great outdoor RV center in Cumbie, Texas, and I'm with Tommy Owen, who is the owner of the store. And he's not only the owner of the store, but he's also like a father figure to me. So Tommy, you want to tell him a little bit about what you've done out here?
Yeah, well, we just opened this dealership in January. We're a small town dealer doing business a small town way. We put a lot of emphasis on service after the sale. We want to keep our customers on the road and happy with their RVs.
Yeah, and I'm out here because Tommy was the manager at the store where I started in this industry, and he was the one that inspired me to make videos to begin with. If you go to firmlyunbound.com in our about section, I have a little sentence or two in there about how he got me started in making the videos, and he's the whole reason we're even here today. So I owe everything to Tommy for what this has just become on this channel. And in addition to that, because I worked with Tommy and saw how he ran a store, I mean, he made my life so easy being in a sales position because of how focused he is on the customer service side of the RV transaction, and then the ownership part of an RV from the standpoint of customer service. So it's kind of like I would say wherever you're at, it's going to be like a Chick-fil-A service.
Customer delight.
Exactly. So I stand behind that 100%. No RV dealership is perfect, but I think Tommy, wherever he's at, is going to be as close to perfect as you'll ever find. And we want to get eyeballs on his inventory. So y'all can come. I want him to sell out. So y'all come check out his inventory. What's your website?
GoRV.com.
Yep.
AGORV.com.
Their phone number will be on the screen as well. Call them and you'll be seeing videos from us of some of their RVs that are out here. So that is the owner of this store. And as you heard me say, I mean, he is like a father figure to me. So I definitely encourage y'all, if it makes sense, to consider allowing and giving a great outdoor RV a chance to earn your business. If they have the right RV for you, definitely can trust and have my stamp of approval that you will get taken care of if you come buy your RV from them. So there is a lot to talk about on this fifth wheel, a lot to talk about outside, but I'm gonna refrain from the outside stuff just to take you inside first, but definitely stay tuned for the outside because there's a lot to talk about. First of all, nice big grab handle as you walk in so you can reach it without having to step up onto the steps. You have a screen defender on your screen to protect it from scratches from dogs or pets or anything like that. And a slingshot on here. So this is going to allow your screen door to close automatically without you having to close that yourself. And as we walk inside here, this is an immaculate looking fifth wheel. I mean, it is just so stunning in here. Really nice big space here. And then one thing that really makes Durango stand out is this has got to be at least a 75-inch screen TV there. So that is a massive TV, way bigger than anything else I've seen in any RV. I don't know if there's anything else out there that has a 75-inch screen TV like this, but that is the first that I've seen. Also comes with a JBL soundbar, so a really premium soundbar there from JBL. Both of your sofas are going to make into beds, so you'll have 2 additional beds, plus it comes with an ottoman here with additional storage space underneath here. And then you have your 2 recliners here directly across from your TV. These will have heat and massage. and then they will be electric recliners. Will lay all the way flat and just give you a great viewing angle here. Have your fan in the ceiling, whisper quiet AC system, so you're really not going to hear that at all. Plus you also get a vent fan in here in addition to having 3 ACs on this unit. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you have 3 ACs. You can see returns here with those rectangles, returns there, and I'm sure there's another one in the bedroom. So that means all 3 of your ACs are going to be ducted together. Really tall slide out box as well. And you know what? I don't know the width of the Durango Gold off the top of my head. I should have looked that up honestly before walking in here. But I'm guessing this is a 100-inch wide body construction fifth wheel as well, just based off of how it feels in here. So if you know for sure, let me know in the comments, or maybe I'll look it up. Hopefully I remember to look it up and can put it on the screen whether or not that is for sure correct. But as we keep going around, you're going to have really, really big windows. I mean, look at how many windows are on your campsite. You are going to have amazing views out into your campsite from this fifth wheel as well. Day and night blackout shades from MCD on all of your windows. The only thing I wish they did is some sort of valance down the window, because you are going to have a little bit of bleed through off the side with your pull down blackout shade, with there not being any sort of valance. But it is a wooden framed in window, so it has a nice look and finish on that. You have your dinette table here. There's going to be 2 additional chairs that will be under the bed, and then this does have a leaf that goes in the middle, so this will pull out and you have a leaf that will go there in the middle. And while we're here, the MSRP on this model is $156,243. This is a 2023 model. You can see all the additional features that are on it here. And then their price with this here is only $109,999. And that, for this rear kitchen model, I mean, I think is worth every bit of what you're getting with that. So you can contact A Great Outdoor RV. Their number will be on the screen. Again, they have my stamp of approval. If it makes sense for you to do business with them and to give them a chance to earn your business, I 100% encourage you to do so, because I know that they will take care of you and I trust sending you here to buy your RV. You're going to have a dishwasher built in, and what I love about this rear kitchen model in particular is even with this dishwasher being built in, which normally takes away from some storage space, there is still a ton of storage in here. I mean, it doesn't even feel like you're losing out on any storage whatsoever with how much additional storage is in here. If we just started opening things up, I mean, it is just huge through here. Soft close cabinet doors. This is gonna go, this looks like it's all unobstructed all the way through and goes all the way back to that corner, back through here. More storage space up above your microwave. Tons of countertop space. Love the way the sink looks as well. And then you're gonna, I mean, that is just such a huge amount of countertop space. That's pretty remarkable. More storage down underneath here. These are going to be, oh, I didn't know they had this. Wow, that is neat too. This is a pull out. Oh my gosh, that is brilliant. So access from both sides to this storage, and it does slide out from this end. All solid hardwood cabinetry that is stained here as well. And then this is gonna be, yep, trash bin back behind here. And then all of your drawers, so you can see how this drawer pulls out, these all snap closed. So when you push these in, they hit that point there, and this is something you see in like high-end Class A motorhomes too, where they snap closed like that. 3 more drawers that pull out, plus your storage down here underneath the sink and your 2 sink covers that are the same material as the countertop. Of course, you have your Insignia 4-burner stove and oven, so a huge 4-burner cooktop with your massive residential size oven. And then I love this refrigerator. Check this out. My wife and I, when we were, shopping for a refrigerator for our house, this is one that was in our consideration. So this is definitely a residential refrigerator. Love all the gray accents, and it does have a water pitcher in here as well. And then in addition to that, one, you have this cord here to help keep it closed when you're going down the road. And then you open this up and it has multiple different ice trays down underneath here with an ice scoop that it comes with. So 2 different ice trays. I think it makes 2 different kinds of ice if I remember correct. And then more storage down under there in the freezer. So love everything that's going on here in this kitchen. This is, again, just immaculate, this kitchen space that you get. Great view into the rest of the camper. And then as we go back towards the bedroom and bathroom, this does have solar on it, so this is going to be your Victron Energy controller right here that you have. Safety handle going up this space. And then you have the LCI control panel here, so you can control everything on the RV from this spot here. Coming up into the bathroom, you have a dual vanity setup here that looks really, really stunning. 2 mirrors there, and then you're gonna have all your storage space down underneath here. It's gonna be identical on both sides. So this will open up to all that storage. 4 drawers in the middle. And then space there. And then turn to the left. You have your porcelain toilet right here, nice space all around that. And then a fiberglass 1-piece shower here with plenty of ceiling height. Oh yeah, this ceiling height in here is at least about 6'5" to 6'6" to this point, plus another couple inches here. So I would say you'd have to be like 6'9", 6'10" to not fit in here. Adjustable height on the shower head. And then this has the on and off switch here on the shower head, so you don't have to, you know, turn your water on and off there every time, so you can maintain the temperature. Keep coming this way, you have a tankless on-demand water heater. Nice spot to hang some towels. Max air vent fan in here, ducting into here from your AC. And as you come back into here, opposing slide outs in the bedroom, a retractable bed. So you get the retractable bed here, opposing slide outs giving you lots of space in here as well. You're going to have a fireplace in the bedroom, so another electric heat source in the bedroom in addition to the fireplace in the bed or in the living room. You have a TV installed in here, nice shelving on both sides of the TV, lots of countertop space here as well. And then coming back to this space, more storage here. This is going to be like a laundry hamper. Spot for a stackable washer and dryer in this portion of the closet. Motion activated light there, so that will come on automatically when you just leave that turned on. And then you'll have more storage back behind here. Let's get back in this space. Oh, I love the shelving system. They did this in a couple of their different models where you have more shelving down underneath here, really deep space in here, and a shelf up along the top. In addition to this, I just figured out on the last Durango Gold model I filmed, you have 3 drawers that pull out there. You'll have more storage underneath the bed further back. It is a little difficult to get to because of the retractable bed system, but this bed will lift up. It's just rather heavy. Third AC in here as well. That's part of your Whisper Quiet AC system. So you see your returns here for that. And this is just a huge bedroom space, especially when this bed is pushed back in that retracted position, because it just opens up all this area here that would normally be taken up with the bed being fully extended out. Shelves up here, up over your windows as well, with USB ports in the ceiling, and outlet on this side of the bed and outlet on this side of the bed. So I love this bedroom. I think it's really, really big, spacious feeling. Love that it has the fireplace, black sliding pocket door here as well. And then the space in here just feels incredibly residential, large, bright, airy. I mean, it is really, really stunning. So that is everything on the inside. Let me know your thoughts. And then again, keep in mind, this is at a great outdoor RV center in Cumbie, Texas. And I could not recommend more that you come and give them a chance to earn your business if this RV, or maybe any RVs that you see on their website, agorv.com, that might fit for you. So as we come to the outside here, really nice looking front cap. You have this kind of orange amber color looking LED light strip there, and that is a molded 1-piece fiberglass front cap. You have the Kurt Rotaflex pin box up here, so this is going to have a rubber bushing in it that will absorb a lot of your shock there. And then I love what they do here, where they drop the frame underneath here, which that in and of itself is not unique, but they add this additional storage space here that we'll look at in just a second that you don't often see. It also comes with a wood pellet tabletop grill, so very unique there. Comes with this bench setup that I don't know if the grill is supposed to sit on top of, or you could probably use this inside the RV as well, but that's just another nice feature that you get with it also. Latches here to hold doors open, and then this is the only door that doesn't have a slam latch on it. The other two will. And then check this out, because this is a really practical storage space here as well. You have this big open area in there, so I love that they give you that separated space with that storage space underneath here, plus access to your hydraulic fluid. Then as you come around this way, they have 2 100 amp hour lithium batteries on here. So coming with 2 100 amp hour lithium batteries, prep for a tire pressure monitoring system. You have a 30 amp solar charge controller, so that's telling me it's coming with a pretty beefed up solar system on here as well. And then look at this storage space down underneath here. This is unreal. I mean, this is absolutely massive. You could probably fit a queen size bed in this storage space, just to give you an idea of how much floor space is in here. Possibly even a king size bed. I mean, this is giant. Also has this rugged lining here as well. An outdoor TV already installed with a cover, and that is going to pivot out so you can see that from outside. Plus it has JBL speaker, and then all your plugs up here for that as well. You have your 2000 watt inverter working with your solar system, also powering your refrigerator. And then as you keep coming back this way, prepped for side cameras, outlet here. So this will open up, you'll have an outlet there. An awning with an LED light strip. So you'll be able to use that LED light strip whether your awning is in or out. And as I step back, I can see there's at least 400 watts of solar on there. And so lots of solar. That is going to be doing a couple different things on the RV. Give me just a second, actually. Okay, not exactly sure what all is powered by that solar other than just charging the batteries. If you know in the comments, let me know, or if I figure out before uploading this video, I will try to remember to put it on the screen here as well. So as we keep going, we're gonna come underneath here. Your tires, it should be a G-rated high-spec tire, Equiflex system there for your suspension. And then coming down underneath here, you're gonna have a fully enclosed underbelly, spare tire there, 12-volt heat pads on all of your water tanks, and you're going to have a fully enclosed underbelly so none of your water tanks or water lines freeze underneath there. 6-point hydraulic auto leveling system as well. Asdel sidewall, so this has an Asdel sidewall on it. If you don't know what that is, that means it is a fully composite sidewall panel, so there's no wood in your sidewall, meaning that if any moisture got into there, it's not going to damage the sidewall. It's also going to be resistant to delamination, so you won't have to worry about that as well. You have your auto leveling controls here. You're going to have two 30-pound propane bottles underneath there, both in the same compartment. Huge access to the storage from this side with your Nautilus water management system that is very, very easy to use. And then finally your 50 amp plug, tankless on-demand water heater. And for your dump stations, it looks like you have a gray tank dump valve on the back just for your kitchen. And then all your black and gray tanks will come to this space here in the front. And as we keep coming back this way, there's one more little small storage space here. Yep, this is going to be just a utilized space here in the back corner of your kitchen. This is rated to tow, so you can tow up to 3,000 pounds off of this hitch. And then you have your vent for the kitchen and your prep for a backup camera there as well. Again, 3 ACs on the roof. You're going to have 400 watts of solar, and this thing is just a pretty amazing fifth wheel. So let me know your thoughts on it. I want to know what y'all think. And again, I'm at a great outdoor RV center in Cumbie, Texas, and I couldn't recommend more highly a dealership to give a chance to earn your business than them. Just based off of my relationship with Tommy and knowing how he takes care of his customers, I highly, highly recommend you give them a chance to earn your business. And you can reach out to them at the number on the screen. There's links down below in the description, or you can go to their website, agorv.com. So that's all I got for y'all. Don't forget to go check out firmlyunbound.com as well to learn more about what we're doing. Check out our books. And that's all I got for y'all. Until next time, we'll see you out camping.